Welcome back. In this video, I will give you solution of the insufficient privilege error which will which you will get when you try to open a Visual Force page without a system admin profile. So when you try to open Visual Force page using other profile, you will get insufficient privilege error. So I will give you the solution of that. If you haven't not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. So now let's back to the title of the video. So as you can see on my screen, I have opened the accounts list view, and here I have created one list button, open VF page. If I click on this button, it will open the Visual Force page and it shows hello world. Now let's go to setup and try to open this Visual Force page using another profile. So I will go to users and currently I am logged in via system admin. Now I will use the profile of standard user. So I will log in using John Doe. Let's log in, and if I go to accounts and click on open VF page, it will give me insufficient privilege error as you can see on the screen. So in order to resolve this error, we have to give the access of the Visual Force page to this profile. So let me once log out and go back to the system admin. So I will open the system admin from here. I will launch my org again. Now let's go to setup and let's see what is the profile of the user. So user, click on the user. Now here you see John Doe has the profile standard user. So let's click on this standard user. After that, what we will do is we will click on enable Visual Force page access, and here click on edit, and make sure the Visual Force page which you want to open when user click on it will be listed in enable Visual Force page. So I will scroll down and select this hello world and edit and click on save. Once done, let's try to log in again using the other user, so which is John Doe. So this is John Doe and I will click on login. Let's go to accounts, and this time we should be able to open the Visual Force page and don't see any insufficient privilege error. Let's click on this open VF page, and as you can see on the screen, now the user with standard user profile is able to access the Visual Force page. So whenever you face any issue like this, first check the profile has access to the page or not. That's it in this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with your friend, and follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you very much.